Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss a very important and interesting inequality, right? And here we have to prove this inequality which is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x, and this is greater than 2 minus x square for x greater than 0, right? So here we'll see how to prove this important inequality, right? Now here, this inequality can also be proved by making use of the infinite series, right? But here we are not going to use the concept of infinite series to prove this inequality, right? So let us see some other method. Now let us consider the quantity that is e raised to x over 2 minus e raised to minus x over 2 whole square, and this quantity is obviously greater than 0, right? Because see here we have the difference of two quantities, that is e raised to x over 2 and e raised to minus x over 2, right? And being a square term, this term is always greater than 0, right? Now let us apply the formula for a minus b whole square, right, to this expression, right? So we have a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So here we have e raised to x over 2 whole square, then we have minus 2 times e raised to x over 2 times e raised to minus x over 2, and then here we have e raised to minus x over 2 square, right? And this is greater than 0, right? So here this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, so we are left with e raised to x. Then we have minus 2 times e raised to 0, because x over 2 minus x over 2 is 0. Here we have used the laws of exponents, and here this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, so we are left with e raised to minus x greater than 0, right? And now we know that e raised to 0 is equal to 1, right? So we have e raised to x minus 2 plus e raised to minus x greater than 0, right? So now we have arrived at this inequality, right? Now let us come to the second step, right? Now see, here x is greater than 0, right? So we are given x greater than 0. So obviously the square of x must be greater than 0, right? Now we can take this inequality as inequality number 2, right? Now we can add these two inequalities, right? So when we add 1 and 2, we'll get e raised to x. Here we have minus 2 plus e raised to minus x plus here we have x square, and that is greater than 0, right? So now if we take these two terms to the right hand side, we'll get e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is greater than, we'll take minus 2 to this side, so we'll get plus 2 x square. To this side we will get minus x square, right? So this is the desired inequality, right? So viewers, in this lecture we have seen how we can simply prove these type of inequalities.